people. So there is this Malayalam film called Kappella, and it is so. The start of the film and the way it finishes is like, जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. I mean, because actually this movie is trying to convey a message that these things like, these phone romances or online romances or whatever can be very dangerous. It's like so basically that's what it's about. The sweet little girl from a small town who falls in love with an auto driver because of this cross connection, and one would think logic, and then her parents are fixing her alliance elsewhere, and she decides to come to meet this auto guy. And one, as a viewer, as an audience, we thought, they'll show us how this young couple triumphs over the, over opposition and gets married. But instead, the movie has such a freaky twist that, it, in a way, this is the correct message to convey, really, because we are told that the auto man is actually, he was plotting in kidnapping this girl, and there's a lot of this human trade or whatever that goes on. Flesh trade, I think. I don't even want to mention it. So it's very disturbing in that sense. But really, I should thank the filmmakers for because this is how real life is. I mean, chances of an auto driver being very there are lots of decent auto drivers, but if the girl is looking at him as her future life partner, a person she's never seen before, so then that's what it's more logical that the kid might we are told that she's just 12th class fail, so maybe she's just 17, 18, but when you watch this film, it's almost disturbing, towards the end. So but like all Malayalam cinema, there is a kind of message in the movie, so try and catch it, people. It's called Kapela and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.